Welcome everyone. So we'll just continue with our backtesting thing. So I was just saying, like, once you have analyzed the returns, now you know, okay, let me try it by changing this particular variables. How fast and how easy it is. You can just, if you're suppose happy, you can directly make your strategy live. See, suppose this was a good strategy which I am happy with my results. I can just make it live by clicking go live button. And once I make live, it comes and sits in your live strategy thing. And it gives you the daily alerts from that day. So right, so these are all the live strategies, sample live strategies. So after once you make it live, you don't have to do anything. Daily evening you get your SMS and emails, what to buy, what to sell types, right? So I was just showing you the, if you suppose you're not happy, you want to fine tune, just copy this strategy. Once you copy this strategy, it makes a copy of this with the timestamp. You can edit this strategy, right? So now we don't have to create all those variables again what we have created in our previous example. We can directly use it, right? So this was the basically the strategy what we created. Now you see what were the all the indicators what we created are intact. If you want to change something, you can do it here. What are the conditions we created are all like this. What if anything you want to add, delete, you can change it. There are a lot of pre-created conditions what we give, uh, which you can check at your whenever you're creating a strategy. Now suppose what I was saying was, maybe I just wanted to only exit on this rule, then I could have just increased my fixed stop loss and the targets also, right? So that this will never hit, and the strategy should only exit because of the exit rule. If I would have done this, finished it, happy to save, right? Again I could have back tested it, so it hardly took me like what, less than a minute, and I can again submit for back testing, right? So idea is, till you are not happy with your results, at least you will come to know this strategy doesn't work or works for you, right? Change some variables, again back test it. So till you are happy with the results, and once you're happy, just make it live. So I hope you have understood the power of strategy labs, how we created indicators, how we created conditions, then we created a strategy, then we backtested strategy, then we analyzed the results, then we again changed the strategy and again backtested, right? And then the final step is you just make it live, right? So this is something which you can do on your own. All your knowledge you can test on your own. But the other power is for our premium customers. If suppose you don't have time, or if you're still having issues, or maybe if you're not a very not great in technical analysis, what you can do is, we have a library of strategies which are already there in our which our experts create and backtest thoroughly, and which we change it time to time. So we can assign you those strategies. So after understanding your risk profile, what sort of user you are, so all those things we for our premium users, they are ready-made strategies to be assigned, right? So, and then you basically you can backtest, you can see the backtesting history of that strategies, and from a day and you get daily alerts, right? Great. So we look forward hearing from you. Any feedback or any queries, feel free to call us. Our numbers are published here. You can also write a mail to us at connect@traderscockpit.com, or you can catch us at basically come and chat, and one of our experts will answer all your queries, right? So happy trading, and see you in the next demos.